YAYATECH has dedicated to the industry of PCB inspection system since 1998. We have taken part in the automatic optical inspection AOI industry, independently developing, designing and manufacturing many kinds of equipment, accumulating more than 20 years. The Hole Inspector of YAYATECH is now holding the highest market share. It has hundreds of local and foreign PCB customers all over the world and has successfully exported the machines to all of the world. It is suitable for micro-via hole plating filling inspection and uses multi-wavelength light sources to correspond to various surfaces for dimple depth bump height inspection. The highest resolution can reach 2.1 micrometers pixel. It is suitable for the non-brightness copper surface and non-mirror surface of the board to be tested after copper reduction or surface roughening treatment after laser blind via plating. The highest resolution can reach 5 micrometers pixel. It is suitable for the ball planting stencil of substrate industry and the SNT of the PCBA industry. From the new product input, quality inspection after cleaning, inspection and maintenance is integrated on the same machine. The resolution can reach 3.5 micrometers pixel. Provides hole location analysis after drilling. The data of the reflected light inspection can be used as the basis for drilling machine adjustment and calibration. The data of the penetrating light inspection can be used for quality control. The highest resolution can reach 3.5 micrometers pixel. Provides hole location analysis and inspection and measurement after routing. The inspection speed is more than 3 times compares with other series. High-speed inspection can increase productivity. The penetrate light source inspection can ensure and control the quality of drilling and routing process. The first self-developed hole inspector in Taiwan, which has the largest market share in the world, and the sales volume exceeds 1,000 units. It is suitable for through-hole quality inspection after drilling, after HASL, after routing and final inspection. It is suitable for Warpage inspection of finished products before shipment. The highest accuracy can reach to ±0.05 millimeters. It is suitable for checking the inner layer alignment after lamination and adjusting the expansion and contraction for the first drilling panel.